The thing is not functioning again. The only time some people they use their nuclear weapon, and when they want to use that tape piece, then they remember see that they use them. That will not get used for that place again. All this way they talk say man prime not the end. Man prime the end though. If you know, especially poor man prime, the quick end. If you are a man with money at the age of 60, 70, 80, you are still enjoying life. But for a poor man, you not there like that. Recently, you see that place when I build my museum put for my community. That place when I build my museum, the man will sell that land for me, the agent will help me find the land. So in that period, me and I dey close because of the land matter. I got to ask the guy, because his wife, he lost his wife about he don't reach like 4 years when he lost 4 to 5 years. So I got to say, now only how they do many things, only how they cook, they do everything by himself. They go farm, everything like by himself. So as a normal young boy, I want to see learn from your own experience as an elderly when he be. I got to ask her, say, also instead of all this thing what you do, why you not marry wives? Is your wife that you not get plan to marry another wife? Why you not marry another wife? He come tell me say, not be say you not get plan. He say in fact you don't even search tire. I go say wetin go happen. He say na money na. The guy said, don't be say he never really too old like that too. Na man of like 50 something years o. All this guy 50 something years, maybe 55 years, 56 years, he never really too old like that too. But at that age to even see wife, woman, another woman say they tired am. Which woman won't follow you at that age and you not get money? Eh? Which woman won't follow you at that age and you not get money? So that's why they talk say man prime not the end. Now men will get money now they are prime not the end though. You know if you are a poor man at the age of 60, 50, you not get money, my brother. Now that you go know say, now that you go really know say, woman self still better pass man. Cause even if na woman dey in that age where that man dey, by now where the man don't go, another man for not carry on, they carry the responsibility of the woman. Men are going through a lot. Men without money are going through a lot. Men without money are going through a lot.